Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a frozen Android smartphone that's Android 8.0 or above. And this is actually really easy to do. So if you're moving around your screen and your screen is completely frozen on Android 8.0 and above, all you have to do is locate the power button right here and hold this down for approximately 30 seconds. So when you're holding this down, it should go ahead and restart, and then you should be able to just reboot your phone simply. So locate the power button right here and hold that down. Then if that doesn't work, what you could try is locating the volume down button right here, volume down, and the power button, and you can hold this down at the same time. So since I don't have Android 8.0, if I go ahead and hold these two buttons down, this should go ahead and restart my phone after 7 seconds. So you got to hold them down at the same time, and boom, it's restarting. And if it doesn't completely restart, you might have to press the power button to actually turn it back on. So I'm going to just press this, and it should boot up here. So if it doesn't start up, try holding down the power button here. Otherwise, you can go back to the volume down button and the power button. And if you get something that says like custom OS or something, just press the volume down button once again, and you should be able to boot up your phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.